Are you looking to customize payment schedules in Deel and make payroll management even easier? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to customize payment schedules in Deel so you can optimize your payments and get the most out of the software. Whether you're a freelancer, contractor, or managing a team, you can tailor payment schedules to fit your needs perfectly. Let's dive straight in. First off, to customize payment schedules in Deel, you need to create or edit an existing contract. When you're in the contract section, you'll see a tab that allows you to set payment terms. Here, you can choose how frequently you want to pay your contractors or employees. Deel offers flexible options: weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or you can even create a custom schedule that fits your business needs. Once you've selected the frequency, the next step is deciding on the exact date for payments. Deel allows you to specify an exact date or a range of dates for payments to occur. This gives you full control over cash flow, ensuring you can manage your budget without surprises. For example, if you need to align payments with specific project milestones or monthly expenses, you can set the dates accordingly. The software also allows you to handle partial payments, so if you want to break up a larger payment into smaller chunks. Deel makes this process seamless. You can split payments as needed, which is ideal for project-based work or when managing contractors on long-term projects. Now, Deel goes even further with its flexibility by allowing you to set different schedules for different workers or contractors. If you're managing a team with varying needs, you can adjust payment terms for each individual. You might have one contractor who needs weekly payments and another who prefers a bi-weekly schedule, and Deel makes this customization possible. Another great feature is the option to incorporate bonuses or commission-based payments into your schedule. You can add extra pay as a one-time payment or as part of a recurring schedule, making Deel a perfect solution for businesses with performance-based compensation models. Don't forget that Deel also lets you keep track of payment history and provides detailed reports. This ensures you have a clear overview of every payment so you can manage invoices and keep your financials in check. No more confusion or back and forth when it comes to your team's payments. If you're new to Deel, don't worry. You can use the software for completely free with our exclusive bonuses through the first link below. Deel is designed to make payroll easier, whether you're just starting or scaling your operations. Stick around until the end to find out about an extended free trial offer for Deel. To recap, customizing payment schedules in Deel is straightforward. You can set the frequency, dates, split payments, and tailor everything to suit your team's unique needs. This flexibility makes Deel an excellent choice for businesses of all sizes. Plus, if you want to take your payroll management to the next level, Deel has got you covered with these customization options. Remember, you can try Deel completely free by clicking the link below, and don't miss out on the extended free trial offer we have for you. Thanks for watching, and if you want more helpful guides like this, make sure to check out the next video.